Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to tweet someone on Twitter. Firstly, open your Twitter on your mobile. Scroll down on your feed and refresh your timeline. Click on the plus button to upload a new tweet. Tell me what is happening in your tweet. Here, you can mention the person you want to tweet in this way. For example, hey, add username of that person you want to mention in your tweet. You can mention as many people as you want. You can also select who can reply to your tweet. You can select everyone, verified accounts, accounts you follow, or only accounts you mention. After that, click on the post to upload it. That is how you can mention someone in your tweets. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.